This is a video about how to make an anthropomorphic picture with an animal head on a human body. This is a painting. It's done by a professional. And I wanted to show you these are done by a student. These are done the old-fashioned way, cutting out pictures from magazines. We can see some cute combinations here. A frog who's wearing a suit. This owl looks pretty fashionable. And they also cut out a word bubble to put a balloon over their head. And that's a way that you can make them funny, make them into cartoons or memes. So I'm going to guide you through using this program, PIXLR.com. It is free on the internet and can do many of the things Photoshop can do that cost a lot of money. Okay, over here on my desktop I have a few pictures. I've got this funny picture of a cat. I drag it in. This is what it looks like. And I drag it in and I'm going to go create new. What I want to do is delete the whole background to this picture so it's only the cat's head. If I go to pixlr.com/remove background and take the picture and drag it in, this is what the AI automatically figured out. And I'm going to click fine tune because I also want to erase the body of the cat. And as I click here, I can take the body away. I don't mind losing the whiskers. They're kind of cute, but they can go too. I just draw with this red marker over what I'm doing. And it's okay if you miss a few things because you can take them away again in the next step too. And then I go, okay, done. And, oh, see, I missed some down here. I bet there's still some elements that are still remaining, but it's okay. Then I click download, and it gave it an automatic name. I'm going to take it and drag it somewhere on my desktop. Now I've got a file that's just the head of the cat. Oh, and you can see there's some gray mess over there, but it's okay. Now I'm going back to my main program, and I don't even need that layer, so I hit delete. And then I take a picture of a human and drag it over here. I'm going to create new. Now when I drag my cat head in, I want to add current, so it's a new layer. And as you can see, the cat head is very big. Okay, this is what it looks like when I bring the cat's head in. Click on the layer I want to edit here. And I go up to edit and I click transform. I'm going to transform flip horizontal. And then I'm going to edit free transform. And this allows me to shrink the cat. I think it looks good about that size. I could also rotate. When I put my mouse in the corner, it lets me rotate it too. And I'm going to hit yes, apply. But I'm also going to hit go to the eraser. E goes to the eraser, and I'm going to erase a little bit of the cup. So the cup comes in front of the cat, and that completes the illusion. Then I click save to download it as a high-quality JPEG. I could name it Funny Cat. And then you can upload the finished project to me. You can also add text. Do you want to add a new text layer, it asks, when you click with the text button. Then you could put in a cat pun. Not particularly creative, but who cares? I want to move that on top. I also find that to be too large, so I'm going to shrink it. Oops, too small. I don't mind that the Shutterstock watermark is on the picture. It's okay. When you do this, you're participating in a long tradition that includes the photomontage artist Marianne Brandt and the photomontage artist Hoch. And I know that she put the heads of German generals on women model photographs to mock them. You can see here she's put some feminine lips on this guy and a big human eye on this baby. And then here's a boxer, and the boxer's punching the baby. Again, big eyes on a person. This is her most famous piece. Kind of create looks like Picasso, having like a face that doesn't seem to fit on the body. Scissoring images from the popular press of the Weimar era, Ms. Brandt cleverly juxtaposed them in striking arrangements so that as a whole, each image takes on allegorical significance beyond its individual reality. I recognize that's Josephine Baker. Unlike the sharply political satires produced by Ms. Hoch and John Hartfeld, also a Dadaist, Ms. Brandt's works don't deal specifically with the evils of fascism and capitalism. Her compositions were more allegorical and diffuse, sometimes lighthearted and personal, sometimes meditative and philosophical.